Welcome to Math with Dotun. We are to find the radius of a circle whose circumference is given. Alright? And this is an applied question. We have the edge of a circular bowl has a circumference of 132 centimeters. Find the radius. The edge of a circular bowl has a circumference of 132 centimeters. Find the radius. Okay, remember the formula? Radius equals circumference divided by 2 pi. Circumference divided by 2 pi. And the circumference is 132 centimeters over 1 divided by 2 times 22 over 7. Alright, that will be 44 over 7, right? Okay, so we have 132 centimeters over 1. So we keep this, change the sign to multiplication, then flip the fraction, which is 44 now. 2 times 22 is 44, and then over 7. So when we flip that, we have 7 over 44. Okay, so we can divide this using division by cancellation. You reduce it since we are not using a calculator to solve this. So let's go. We know that 2 here is 22. 2 in 13 is 6. Remainder 1. And 2 in 12 is 6. Okay, so we know that 22 should go in 66. 22 in 22 in 1 is 1. And then in 66 is 3. Alright, so what we have left is 3 centimeters times 7. And 3 times 7 is 21, and that in centimeters. Right, so our answer is 21 centimeters. So the radius of the circular bowl, the edge of the circular bowl of circumference 132 centimeters is 21 centimeters. Like I talked about evaluation in our previous video, you can use any method to evaluate to simplify and get your answer. Alright, and then if you want to share a method that is your favorite method with me, I will be very glad to see that in the comments. Alright, so tell me how you would use this formula, circumference divided by 2 pi, to calculate the radius of the circle. Thank you.